It's actually Tangkhul brothers, so Yimkhiung Tribal Council, Yimkhiung Tribe, Brotherhood, Maintenance Chi. Achingawi Naga Kiawa, American Tangkhul brothers, or Yimkhiung Tribe. We have our own history to American brotherhood and friendship Panalaga, we declare Grasso, I'll read out. The Tangkhul Nagalong and Yimkhiung Tribal Council, Friendship and Brotherhood. The Tangkhul Naga and Yimkhiung Tribe share a long-standing bond of friendship and brotherhood, rooted in historical ties and notable similarities in language and tradition. In recognition of this enduring relationship, the two tribal bodies, the Tangkhul Nagalong and the Yimkhiung Tribal Council, have arrived at a mutual understanding to foster peace, unity, and to further strengthen the cultural values between the two communities for posterity through the celebration of the Tsangamnyo Mini Hornbill Festival held on 16 January 2026 at Chamorro Town. The two communities envisions the following: the two tribe bodies, Tangkhul Nagalong and YDC, shall initiate and work in tandem for peaceful coexistence in possessing mutual respect and understanding the two communities both within and across the borders. Both tribal bodies shall mutually respect and uphold each other's tribal interests, integrity, and shall stand by and protect each other under all circumstances. The message of friendship and brotherhood between the two communities shall be disseminated to all areas, villages, and individuals in order to foster unity and harmonious coexistence. In the event of any future dispute arising between individuals or communities, both tribes shall jointly address and resolve such issues through mutual dialogue and understanding. Such initiatives aimed at promoting unity and cooperating among Naga tribe should be encouraged across all Naga inhabited areas to protect, preserve, and uphold the uniqueness of Naga history and culture. A mutual agreement to organize cultural exchange program and friendship brotherhood meets once every 5 years. Trongso Yimkhiung President, Yimkhiung Tribal Council, Headquarters Chamorro, and Short Wasun President, Tangkhul Nagalong Ukrul Headquarters. No, not now. For